What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. It's that time again, it's time for the fits of the week where I bring you some of the best menswear fits from around the socials, just in time for some weekend inspiration. Before we get into it though, I'd just like to ask if you get anything from the video at all, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, check out artchatandwoods.com for pre-owned menswear and sign up to the Substack The Guidance, which is just a newsletter I send out near daily with links to pre-owned items I find during that day, also links to brands we discuss in these videos and just general ramblings as well. And a quick fit check for myself, I've got this Drake's shawl neck cardigan, which I think is, what's this, a forest green colour. T-shirt is from Son of a Tailor. Jeans as well are from Drake's, and the shoes are from Croc & Jones. But enough about me, let's get into these fits. So our first outfit is from Merino Sergeant Tony, and this is a beautiful wintry tonal look. I really love the warm colours, the browns and the slight oranges in there. I've got this wool hat on, some sunglasses, I think a brown sort of shawl neck cardigan thing going on, a sort of like burnt orange sweater underneath, then a brown raglan sleeve coat with a lovely bit of texture on it, brown trousers and some chunky black shoes. There's also a watch there, zooming in. I can't see exactly what it is, but it looks like a vintage Omega if I had to guess, but I can't exactly see what it is. Just a really lovely wintry outfit, but it's all about the color palette, it's all about those tones, and a great way of layering as well. So next we have Dan, or Dan-pocalypse on Instagram, and he is wearing a brown, what looks to me like a corduroy double-breasted jacket. I think it's a black shirt underneath, some mid to light coloured denim and some leather loafers with this kind of like dusty pink sweater around the shoulders. Again, we spoke about the sweater over the shoulders last week and a divided opinion in the comments as well. First of all, there's nothing wrong with that. We all have our different points of views. My thought process with it is, because a lot of people say it doesn't make sense as an extra layer because you've already got the jacket on. Why would you have a layer that you would put underneath it if you're never going to put it over the top of it? But if that kind of makes sense, which is fine. But if you think about it this way, if you're going out for dinner, then you might want that extra layer for indoors. If you're sitting for dinner, wearing a scarf or a jacket while sitting down as that layer isn't really comfortable and maybe doesn't quite look right. So you might want that sweater for later. If you're indoors, you're a little bit chilly and you don't want to put either a scarf or your jacket on. That's my thought process on it. I do get sometimes it can look a little bit contrived, but sometimes I feel it looks a nice little bit of contrast or just a nice extra little bit of detailing. And often that can be just for the photo itself. So, I mean, we can all overthink things. It's just dressing at the end of the day. It doesn't really need to mean anything, but that is my thought process on the whole thing. In this particular photo, I like it because it adds that extra bit of freshness to this outfit, as in that just dusty pink just goes with that earth tone of the brown, the darker colour of the shirt, and adds a bit of brightness to the rest of the outfit because you've got that down below with the lighter colour of the jeans. So that's why I think it goes well with this. I just think it complements the whole outfit. So next up we have Nathan of Natalino, and he is wearing their sand corduroy suit, a grey sweater underneath. I can't really figure what colour that beanie is. It's kind of like stone colour, but it's a bit darker than that. But it goes really well with the rest of the outfit colour-wise. And then some brown suede horsebit loafers as well. I didn't get the chance to try on the corduroy suits when I was there a couple of weeks back, but this looks like a really lovely bit of winter tailoring. I like that it's a lighter colour, but it's a toned down tone, if you know what I mean. So it's not like old, it's not very bright. So you can wear it in the colder weather without looking too bright and out there. Like if I really like lighter coloured clothes like jeans and tailoring in the colder months. But if I was wearing something all over like a two-piece suit that was very bright, like light camel or beige, I do feel a little bit standoutish. I feel I just stand out a bit too much essentially. And this has a really nice, slightly darker tone to it, where I think I'd be really comfortable wearing it even in the sort of colder weather. So yeah, really love that. Love those shoes with it as well. And the beanie works really nicely with the suit also. Because it's corduroy, it's got an extra bit of texture. It's like a winter suit. And yeah, really cool outfit. So here we have a really close-up detail shot of Dell Studios, or Tom O'Dell, who's a stylist. And I love these photos when you can just crop right into the sort of detail and texture of an outfit, see how the colours really go together. This is a great example of that. First of all, you've got this really lovely herringbone raglan sleeve coat in these sort of brown, I think it's brown and cream. I think there's the two colours in there. Then you've got this cream sweater around the shoulders, a denim shirt, and then I think, just assuming it's brown, some brown trousers also. Blue and cream and a crew go together so nicely. When you throw brown into the mix, it's just a really nice fall winter colour palette in general. He's also got a vintage Omega, I think Seamaster, it looks like here as well. And it's just a really nice mixture of colours and texture as well, with the herringbone of that coat and the roughness of that denim shirt as well. I absolutely love this. So here we have Patrick Dempsey, who's starred by Warren Alfie Baker, in a really simple grey flannel suit, and then this roll neck he's got on as well. For me, this is just the perfect outfit if you're going for like a Christmas party this time of year. So you've got the tailoring aspect, which means you've dressed up for the event, but you've also got the roll neck, which just tones it down in terms of being a bit more casual. Finally, we have Nicola Rodano, shot by Lorenzo Sodi, and this is for his brand, and he's got this really lovely grey, I think that's a herringbone pattern coat on, a cable knit roll neck in this really lovely oatmeal colour, a similar colour beanie, some grey or some charcoal flannel trousers with a little turn up, and some brown suede tassel loafers. Really love this as a put together winter outfit. And Nicola has actually sent me something from his brand, which I have right here, and I haven't opened yet, so I thought maybe we could do that while we're on the video. So you may have probably noticed Nicola in previous videos, and for me, he's one of the best dressed guys around, and he's kindly sent me this package. So this is his brand here, Perspacha Neapolis. Let's have a look what we got. Right. I literally don't know what, oh. Okay. So we have, oh, these are amazing. Check out these. As patterns for size. So we've got this kind of like, I think it's like a brown or a maroony colour sort of pattern here. And then this green one here. Now I've spoken in previous videos of how I wanted to make myself wear ties more, and I have got nothing like this. Like I've got loads, I was gonna make another video on it previously where my dad's given me a load of his old ties from the 80s with like strong patterns on it. But they're very bold, they're very 80s and 90s, but they're quite cool, and I was going to do a video on trying them on, but they're nothing like this. Like this is right up my street in terms of colour palette and pattern. And I think there's something else in here. Ooh. And then we have, wow, check this out. These scarves with this really lovely colour and pattern on it. Wow. And this one here. How nice are they? They give me big Italian vibes. I am buzzing over that because I've got nothing like that. It's actually... Ciao, please enjoy. Thanks. How sweet is that? I'm absolutely over the moon. Made in Naples. Yes, so I'm excited to try those on. I'll be doing some like fit checks with them as well on how I started them. I'm absolutely buzzing with that. Thank you, Nicola. Really appreciate that. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know which of this week's fits was your favorite. Remember to check out artrimmers.com and sign up for the Substack The Guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.